Hello, Angle 90 students. I'm going to do a very quick overview of your assignments this week. I'm at the week 5 assignments at a glance. So basically, this week, your grammar assignments, you're going to be doing the chapter on time shifts and tenses, which you would see if you click this link. And I have put a little video in there that I hope you will watch because it kind of explains the concept, and that might really help you prepare for doing this chapter. Again, you can always ask me questions. Okay, this week we're continuing our reading in the second unit. This second unit on the Hoover Dam is going to be the subject of our second real reading test, okay? So that is the article titled Constructing the Hoover Dam. All right, so that's going to be the subject of our reading quiz. So when you do the reading assignments, I really strongly suggest that you use everything you've got to annotate that article. Okay, because the better you annotate, the better you're going to do on your reading quiz. We're continuing to read in the novel The Absolutely True Diary, and so here's your new page assignment. But the discussion this week is on the pages that you read last week, as always. Okay, and your 4-point discussion is also about architecture, but it's part 2. We have a vocabulary quiz this week, and that would be on the vocabulary powers in this second reading unit, okay? So those are on the vocabulary power words that were taken from pages, I'm not sure exactly what they are, I think 43 and 58. So the second unit on the Hoover Dam. Okay, and then the final step is basically I'm going to give you an article this week, and it's, I'm going to take you through a second cycle of writing a summary. And so hopefully we'll do a little better this time, all right? It's very much the same process. I'm just asking for a 1-paragraph summary, but the article is a bit longer, and it should be fairly clear what to focus on. I may focus my meeting on Tuesday on that article, but I'm not sure if people have any questions, I can certainly answer. And then the open discussion for the week. And so hopefully by now, because we're almost halfway through the quarter here, people understand this pattern. Okay, all right, thank you.